This 2024 Palomino Solaire 320 TSBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features a ESPRESSO interior, sleeps 9, Slideout, and 42 gal freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.